welcome to Fabric by Singhania. Today we've got a great set of Kanchi silk fabrics with beautiful kutu weave that is perfect for this festive season. So let me show you. Now here you see the first fabric over here. It's a beautiful Kanchi silk fabric with a nice kutu weave in it. So as you can take a look, it's got beautiful small booty work done in nice gold zari. It's all over the body and it's ideal for a lehenga, and you've got this really nice attached border to it in a nice hot pink color. So all of this fabric together gives a very beautiful touch, and entirely the contrast of this pink shade and hot pink shade gives a very feminine touch. So if you want to create a nice half sari or a lehenga too with this kind of fabric, it would look ideal. Now this next beautiful Kanchi silk that you see in front of you, it's really gorgeous. It's got a nice neutral tone of beige color, and you can see all of the gold zari booty work done in it. It's beautiful and it looks really gorgeous, and with the contrast here you can see this beautiful attached border, and all over this border they've been done a nice outlining of the gold zari weaving again. Very vibrant shade of purple tone, and the purple and this neutral base tone together would just look ideal to create a nice suit or a dupatta. Even if you want to create a beautiful and minimal lehenga, this would be the perfect and ideal fabric for it. So if you guys want to know more about our customizations, you can comment below and our assistants will help you with it. Now this one that you see over here is a little bit more traditional, a gorgeous silk fabric, amazing check work done in the body, giving it a very traditional and authentic look. It's quite old school, yet it would look perfect to create a nice sari or a lehenga, and it's in a very rich cyan blue color, and all over this you can see this beautiful attached border of red color with nice gold zari weaving on this border too. So this attached border with this silk is just perfect and ideal to create any traditional outfit, be it a beautiful lehenga or a really nice sari, or even if you want to create a half sari with this kind of blue and red combination, it would look amazing. A very gorgeous shade of light parrot green color. It's very beautiful and pleasing to the eyes. Nice booty work done on this too in very minimal style, gold zari weaving all across it. Beautiful kutu weave. You can take a look at the added border in a very rich and purple shade. Now these kind of fabrics are very difficult to find now, and kutu weave itself is a very lost art of weaving technique, which you can finally see here at Fabric by Singhania. You can take a look at the border work. It's very beautifully done. You can take a look at the elephant motifs that have been weaved across this border, making it look very different, and this would be ideal to create a nice half sari or a dupatta, and it would look really rich and traditional. Now here you can see another very gorgeous shade of green and red combination of Kanchi silk for you. This would be ideal to create any puja festival outfits. Since there's so many festivals coming up, it would be just perfect to customize into a gorgeous lehenga for yourself, be it for kids wear or for yourself too, if you want to match it or pair it up in the family as well. It's got beautiful added red color border with nice mayur motifs all over it and nice gold zari weaving, and you can take a look at the stripe pattern done in the body in a nice gold zari work again. It's got this really nice buttas and pattern of stripes all across the body. So entirely this Kanchi silk would be perfect and ideal for pre-teens as well, or for any other festivals. This fabric would look really amazing. Beautiful mustard yellow Kanchi silk fabric over here. It's gorgeous. It's got this nice booty style work and a beautiful kutu weave. You can take a look at the peacock motif that has been done across this border in nice hot pink shade, and it's got this really nice silver and gold zari weaving in the border work, and beautiful gold booty style zari weaving in the body. So the yellow and the pink color would be ideal for haldi occasions or for any festivals, be it for Ganesh Chaturthi or any other Dashera or Diwali. This kind of fabric would be ideal to recreate a nice lehenga, half sari. Even if you want to create a beautiful statement dupatta for yourself, this beautiful Kanchi silk would be something really different in your wardrobe. Now here you can see another gorgeous Kanchi silk fabric for you. Beautiful lilac shade with a nice contrast of purple, almost violet shade. It's got nice elephant motifs that have been designed across this border in nice gold zari work, and you can see this floral booty work also done. It's very beautifully done, perfect to recreate into a nice half sari, or if you want to create a beautiful lehenga with this kind of fabric. If you guys want to know more about our customization and how much fabric you'd be requiring, you can comment below or visit us at Banjara Hills Road number 1. Now a very rich and vibrant shade of dark red color over here in nice Kanchi silk. Beautiful floral booty work done in gold zari weaving, and you can take a look at the border that has been attached in a nice sea green color. It's very beautiful and it looks really elegant. Now you can create a beautiful beautiful blouse of the same kind of matching for a contrast look, or you can create a gorgeous sari with this kind of fabric for any kind of festivity. Because it's in a nice gold zari weaving, so it would complement your skin tone also quite well. So the entire fabric is just perfect and quite traditional and authentic for this season. Now here you can see this really gorgeous Kanchi silk fabric again in a very delicate shade of white. Now this is a nice cream tone of white color which would look really traditional and authentic for any kind of wedding season too, with a beautiful border of dark blue. Now this dark blue and white contrast is just perfect and ideal, and you can also take a look at the stripe patterns that has been done across the body of this fabric, making it look really unique. It's got a nice gold zari weaving, and you can take a look at the border work. It's in beautiful Mayur motif and elephant motifs all across this fabric in a very nice pattern, which makes it look really ideal to create any kind of lehengas, kurtis, or even if you want to create a beautiful anarkali for yourself, this white shade would look really amazing. Now very gorgeous silk over here in front of you in a nice emerald green shade with beautiful gold zari booty work done all over the body. You can also take a look at the border. It's in a very nice Barbie pink kind of shade in gold zari weaving too. All of this together comes really well, and it gives a beautiful tone to the fabric. Now you can customize this into a lehenga, a half sari. Even if you want to create a beautiful sari for yourself, this fabric would be ideal for it. So if you guys want to know more about the details of this fabric, you can comment below or follow us on our social media page. Thank you for watching this video. If you like this video, hit like and comment for any more details, be it for pricing or customization. If you guys want to know more about our collection, you can visit us at Banjara Hills Road number 1.